The electromagnetic kit contains 2 coils, a U-magnet core, lifting bar with hook, 2 compasses, steel pins, bar magnet iron core, and connecting wires. You will also need a battery and a battery holder. Both of the coils on the magnet can be removed to investigate what they do by themselves. On each coil there are 3 springs. Attach connective wires to the middle coil on each side to attach to the power source. If you connect the power source to an individual coil and place the coil next to the compasses, the magnetic charge will be weak. If you place the metal bar inside the coil, you have now created an electromagnet that will be stronger. Connect the U-magnet to an external power source. The U-magnet will now attract the metal hook. Use the metal pins from the kit. Will the U-magnet attract them all? What other weights would the U-electromagnet attract?